Should see our footprints here somewhere, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Is that the trail right there? I think so. Yeah, right there.
Filming?
There we go. Oh. Okay, I'm tired. Yeah, or elk track right there. Or it could be a moose. I don't know. I don't know the difference for sure.
I'm sure this is a lot bigger.
I swear I thought I saw something up here last night walking this trail.
Could have been that animal we saw, you never know.
I think moose have a tendency to travel by themselves over elk.
I'm crazy if that was a moose.
Oh, there's that view again.
I wonder if bear spray will work on moose.